We're talking all things car related.
Telling you all things car related, and as we know, we are just heading to winter. Before we actually dive into the specials that you have, hello.
Hi guys. Hi everybody. Hi Norman.
For those of you who have no idea that you service cars from Premier Auto Service e-car, would you kindly just let us know exactly, is your car in good running condition? You know what they say about mechanics and stuff.
Is it roadworthy?
Mechanics cars are never in good condition.
Oh, okay.
They're constantly on the road.
Let's talk about this. What are some of the specials that you're offering this winter?
Look, winter, a lot of things tend to go wrong. And we've got some awesome hot specials for this winter. And all of them are free, which is the great part of it. We've got a free battery inspection. So what happens is we've purchased a very, very expensive diagnostic computer that's able to test your batteries in your car.
Wow.
As well as give us a report, it's also able to test the starter and the alternator in the car as well. So that can tell us whether all of these electrical systems are working 100%. The other one is that we're offering a free light and a windscreen wiper assessment. Now, in winter, the dark comes quickly. So one's got to be able to be visible on the road as well as to be able to see clearly on the road. So we're checking all your lights on your cars as well as the windscreen wipers to make sure that should you hit a rainy patch, you're able to see clearly through that windscreen.
Wow.
And then the other awesome special that we've got is an inspection of your brake fluid and your antifreeze. Now antifreeze, that in itself is a bit self-explanatory. It tells you that it prevents your cooling system from freezing up. So we check the antifreeze in the vehicle to make sure that it's all in good condition, as well as your brake fluid, so that your braking components don't rust. So there's a lot of good winter specials we have out there for our customers at this point in time.
And they're very relatable to safety on the road. Now let's talk about the type of brands that you actually repair, the type of brands of actually vehicles. And do you do petrol only or diesel only of those brands?
We service and repair all makes of vehicles. So, from your little Hyundai i10 all the way up to your big Isuzu truck. But more especially recently, we've seen a nice influx of Audis, VWs, Peugeots, Big Mike. I think that's one of your pet favorites there as well. So we've found a fair bit of these vehicles coming through our shop. And, with that, some very interesting customers behind the steering wheel that we've helped out. And they're very happy about that.
So for some reason, awkward reason, a listener out there forgets actually to come to you guys to get their brake fluids and they run out. And now the car is in a condition. Do you guys offer towing services? Yes,
we offer a towing service to all our clients that can't get their vehicles over to us. And look, we have a negotiable rate on the towing itself based on how far they're based from located from our service center. But we offer towing to all our clients because we know in some instances when your car breaks down at work at home, there's no possible way of getting it back to our service center.
All right, so let's tell us about your working hours and the days in which you guys actually trade.
We're open from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday we're open from 7:30 to 5 p.m. and on Saturdays from 8 to 1 p.m. And any time in between, if there's a possible breakdown and you need our assistance, we're quite flexible and we'll try to assist you in that time frame.
So Premier Auto Service offer a special drive-in service for Uber and Taxify drivers and owners. So if you are in this business, you know exactly what to do, and they can also enjoy a cup of coffee. I'm definitely coming. I don't own any of those though. While they wait, and they will quickly get a service, and their car will be actually in place and ready for repairs. So if you want this special rate, you know what to do. You can contact them. They are actually located there at 1415 Crescent Road, North Coast Road, near the Bluff Meat Butchery. So you can contact 031 569 6939 or simply WhatsApp or call this number 082 416 5178.
Yugan, thank you very much. I truly appreciate you coming by. And are you guys ever going to go to transponder keys at all in the future? No.
We will.
Yes, I had a serious problem on Saturday with all my... I dropped the key. It's been dropping a couple of times. Trust me, it's called kids. Yeah, after thousands and thousands of rands, got sorted out.
By the way, thank you so much for the drums. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
For the what? Oh, you bought Nomfundo's buns. It's time for news headlines right now. Tsebo is right here. And of course, Big Mike is coming through with the sports headlines.